In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the foreign tax credit on Turbotax. If you paid taxes to a foreign country and need to report that in Turbotax, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to navigate to the right section so you can begin entering your foreign tax credit information. To get started, sign into Turbotax and make sure you're inside your tax return. From the main navigation area, move your cursor over Deductions and Credits. Hovering here will open the section where Turbotax organizes many common tax breaks, credits, and tax-related entries. This is the area you'll use to find the foreign tax section. Once that menu is available, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This takes you into the main summary page for deductions and credits where you can search through available topics more efficiently. If you're having trouble finding a specific item manually, this summary page is usually the fastest place to continue. From there, use the search field and type the word foreign. Entering that keyword helps narrow the options and makes it easier to locate the correct tax topic without scrolling through every category. Be sure to spell it clearly so Turbotax can return the most relevant result. After the search results appear, click on Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. Even though the title may sound broader than what you need, this is the category where Turbotax places the foreign tax credit section. This is a good reminder that tax software sometimes groups related items under larger headings, so don't worry if the wording is not an exact match at first. Next, find Foreign Tax Credit and select Start. This opens the section where you can begin the setup and entry process for your foreign taxes. Once you're in, Turbotax will typically guide you through the questions step by step, so just follow the prompts carefully and enter the information from your tax documents as needed. As a general tip, it helps to have any foreign income statements or tax forms ready before you begin, so you can move through the questions without stopping. Also, take a moment to review each screen before continuing, since tax entries can affect other parts of your return. That's all it takes to get to the foreign tax credit section in Turbotax. If you follow these steps in order, you should be in the right place and ready to continue with your filing.